Welcome to the IMW Club. Our platform offers comprehensive discussions on managing finances, building long-term wealth, and achieving financial freedom. We delve into various topics such as personal finance, debt management, loans, insurance, investments, mutual funds, gold, equity, and much more. We are creating this content for educational purpose, so learning from this can help you. So if you have not subscribed, then please subscribe now. Also discuss with your financial advisor before taking investment decision. Today we are going to discuss step-by-step guide to opening an NPS account. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the official website of the National Pension System, NPS. Step 2. Click on Registration. Look for the Registration or Open an Account option on the website's homepage and click on it. Step 3. Choose the type of account. Select the type of NPS account you want to open. There are two options, Tier 1, mandatory for all subscribers, and Tier 2, optional. Step 4. Fill in the required details. Provide your personal information such as name, date of birth, PAN card details, email address, and mobile number. Make sure to double-check the accuracy of the information before proceeding. Step 5. Set login credentials. Create your login credentials, including a unique user ID and password. Remember to choose a strong password to protect your account. Step 6. Select the mode of investment. Choose the investment mode for your NPS account. You can either opt for an active choice where you can allocate funds across different asset classes or select auto choice where the investment will be managed based on your age. Step 7. Nomination details. Enter the details of the nominees for your NPS account. Nominees are the individuals who will receive the accumulated pension wealth in the event of the subscriber's demise. Step 8. Upload necessary documents. Upload the required documents such as a scanned copy of your PAN card, Aadhaar card, photograph, and address proof. Step 9. Make the initial contribution. Make the initial contribution towards your NPS account. Step 10. Authenticate and submit. Authenticate the information and submit your NPS account application. Step 11. Acknowledgment receipt. After submitting the application, you will receive an acknowledgement receipt with a permanent retirement account number, PRAN. Step 12. Complete KYC verification. Complete the Know Your Customer (KYC) verification process. This may involve in-person verification at a point of presence, POP, or through Aadhaar-based eKYC. By following these steps, you can open an NPS account online and start planning for your retirement. Remember to keep your PRAN and login credentials safe for future account access. Please check description for NPS calculator link. At IMW Club, we believe that wealth is not just about money, but also about mindset and knowledge. Subscribe to IMW Club and get access to various financial education content. Let's embark on a transformative journey towards financial freedom. Thank you for your watch time.